Hello YouTube, it's Eddie HD Gamer, or Eddie here, and today we're going to be opening a Pokemon trading card game, Primal Clash X and Y booster packs. They're not booster packs, they just have 3 cards, so I already pre-opened them, as you can see. So yeah, let's get started with the first one. I barely bought these, so I don't know what it's inside. I never opened these, so Staryu, Doublade, Reverse Hollow, and Marshtomp. Second pack with the name on the cover. Code. No, it doesn't have a code. Zigzagoon, Spender Reverse Hollow, and Grovyle. So third pack, I already opened it. So we have something in behind. So let me just put this in the back. We got Weedle, Professor Birch's Observations, and Sharpedo EX Full Art. I don't know if these cards are real. I bought them at Dollar Tree, so they were $1 each. If you know if these are real, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, so that's it for this episode, and thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and thanks.